This is the clap and stomp part of the song. I'm trying to train you to practice. Remember the 4 tools of practicing is listen, watch, read, make sure you know what you're doing, slow it down, practice slowly, isolate the problems, and then repeat, 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 okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now rewind the video to where I played that part twice. And listen to it and rewind it several times and try to sing along with it. Boom, boom, ta, boom, boom, ch, boom, boom, ch, boom, boom, ch. And if you can sing along, you can probably play it. So watch it several times till you can sing along with it. And if you can, go ahead and try to play along with that. If you can't, go to the next section where I play it slower and practice with that. At 100, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Up. Okay, now if you need to, rewind that, sing along with it, practice it along with it till you're really good at that part. That was at 100. It needs to be able to be played at 135. So what you need to do next is you've isolated that part and you've done it slowly. Go to webmetronome.com and practice along with it at 110, then at 120, and then at 135. So then you can do it at the full tempo. Now that you know part A, you learned part B in the previous video. So if you need to go back to part B, go to the previous video and learn part B. This is part C, clap and stomp. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and. So if you need to, go back, listen to that, comprehend it, sing along with it, do whatever you need to do to understand that pattern. This is part C at 100 BPM. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and. Now if you need to, rewind that, play along, practice with that as many times as necessary. That's at 100. Then go back to web metronome and practice the whole thing at 100, 110, 120. You need to play this alone enough times to where you have it memorized and you can confidently play it on your own. There's a huge difference between playing along with a recording and then playing alone. Playing along with a recording is a lot easier because you can kind of listen and watch and when you make a mistake, jump back on. And there's just something that happens in your brain when you're playing along with something. It's just a lot easier than doing it by yourself. You need to be able to do this by yourself. The reason you need to practice this many times in a row is so you can build muscle memory. Muscle memory! So once you're done with the parts, each part, see if you can link them together. A into B, B into C. And this is challenging on purpose. This needs to be challenging because this is how you learn something. This is clap and stomp. A twice, B twice, C twice. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That was fresh.